A child's eyes light up with joy as they unwrap the ultimate fire truck toy, a gift that promises endless fun and adventure. This fire truck is not just any toy, it's a beacon of creativity and excitement, with features that captivate young minds. Imagine a toy that not only looks like a real fire truck but also functions like one, complete with a retractable ladder and working lights. Parents rave about the realistic siren sounds that add to the thrill of playtime, making every rescue mission feel authentic. Children are mesmerized by the water spray feature, which allows them to squirt water just like real firefighters. The toy's size is impressive, much larger than expected, making it a standout in any child's collection. It's not just the kids who are excited, even adults find themselves drawn to the toy's detailed design and functionality. One parent shared how their 2-year-old nephew couldn't part with the toy, wanting to take it everywhere, even to bed. The fire truck's sturdy wheels ensure smooth movement, allowing for easy play both indoors and outside. Despite its many features, the toy is easy to use, making it perfect for young children who love fire trucks. The ladder extends a great distance, offering hours of imaginative play as kids pretend to rescue people from tall buildings. Parents appreciate the toy's value for money, noting that it offers a lot of fun for a reasonable price. However, not all experiences are perfect. Some parents report issues with the ladder breaking quickly. One heartbreaking story involves a 3-year-old whose Christmas was ruined when the ladder broke within minutes of play. Despite these issues, the toy remains a favorite, with many parents praising its overall quality and durability. The fire truck's lights and sounds work well, adding to the excitement and making playtime more engaging. The toy's water hose is a hit, with kids loving the ability to spray water during their imaginative rescue missions. Parents are impressed by the toy's range of motion, which allows for dynamic and interactive play. The fire truck's design is not only fun but also educational, promoting creative play and problem-solving skills. One grandparent shared how their grandson was thrilled with the toy, carrying it from room to room with pride. The toy's realistic look and sound make it a favorite among children who dream of becoming firefighters. Parents appreciate the toy's sturdy construction, which can withstand the rough play of young children. The fire truck's flashing lights and sirens add to the excitement, making every play session feel like a real emergency. Despite some negative reviews, the majority of parents agree that the toy is a great addition to any child's collection. The toy's functionality is praised, with features like the retractable ladder and working lights enhancing playtime. One parent noted that the toy's size and features make it a great value for money, offering endless entertainment. The fire truck's water spray feature is particularly popular, with kids loving the realistic firefighting experience. Parents are impressed by the toy's ability to keep children engaged for hours, promoting imaginative play. The toy's design is not only fun but also encourages children to learn about fire safety and rescue operations. Despite some durability issues, the toy remains a favorite among children and parents alike. The fire truck's realistic features and engaging design make it a must-have for any child who loves fire trucks. In the end, this fire truck toy is more than just a toy. It's a gateway to endless adventures and unforgettable memories.